Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the Tesla Cybertruck. Is an all-electric pickup truck developed by Tesla, Incorporated, known for its futuristic and unconventional design. Unlike traditional trucks, it features sharp angular lines and a stainless steel exoskeleton that gives it a rugged, armored appearance. Built for durability and high performance, the Cybertruck combines utility with advanced technology, offering features like adaptive air suspension, a large cargo bed, and high towing capacity. It is designed to appeal to both truck enthusiasts and tech-savvy drivers, reflecting Tesla's vision for the future of electric vehicles. The Tesla Cybertruck stands out with a bold, unconventional design that breaks away from traditional pickup truck aesthetics. Its exterior is built from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, providing extreme durability and resistance to dents, damage, and corrosion. The body panels are flat and angular, giving it a futuristic, almost sci-fi look. It features a full-width LED light bar in the front and rear, contributing to its high-tech appearance and enhancing visibility. The vehicle uses Tesla Armor Glass, a specially engineered type of toughened glass intended to resist impact better than standard automotive glass. Large, rugged wheels are equipped with all-terrain tires, reinforcing its off-road capabilities. The rear cargo area, referred to as the vault, includes a roll-down cover for security and protection. It offers significant storage space and a built-in ramp for loading. The adaptive air suspension allows for adjustable ride height, making it versatile for both city driving and off-road use. Inside, the Cybertruck carries a minimalist and ultra-modern aesthetic that mirrors Tesla's design philosophy. The dashboard is clean and stripped down, with a marble-like textured surface and no traditional buttons. A large central touchscreen, typically around 17-inch chassis, controls nearly all vehicle functions. The Cybertruck offers seating for up to 6 passengers across 2 rows. The front row includes a foldable middle seat that can double as an armrest or storage space. The interior uses durable and sustainable materials, designed to be both functional and visually striking. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, some models showcase a yoke-style steering control, emphasizing a futuristic driving experience. Additional storage options include under-seat compartments and a front frunk, enhancing the utility for long trips or work use. In USA, base model, $70,000, mid-model, AWD, $80,000, top model, Cyber Beast, $100,000 a $115,000, in Pakistan, starting from PKR 1.1 crore to PKR 2.9 crore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.